Magandang buhay! Sa video na ito ay tuturuan ko kayo ng multiplication of binomials using FOIL method. Simulan natin dito sa example number 1. So we have x plus 8 multiplied by x plus 3. So ang gagamitin nating method ay FOIL method. So for reference ay tingnan lang natin itong nasa taas. So ang ibig sabihin ng FOIL ay first, outside, inside, last. So yung first, ito yung unang dalawa. Yung outside, itong dalawang nasa labas. Yung inside, itong dalawang nasa loob. At yung last ay yung huling dalawa. So, susundan natin itong FOIL method sa pagsagot dito sa ating question. So, simulan natin by multiplying itong x times x. Ito yung ating first. So, we have x times x. The answer is x squared. And then, isunod natin yung outside. So, imumultiply natin itong x times 3. So, x times 3 is equals to positive 3x. And then, yung inside, multiply naman natin itong 8 times x. So, 8 times x is equal to positive 8x. So, lagay lang natin positive 8x. And then, yung last. So, imumultiply natin itong positive 8 multiply by positive 3. So, 8 times 3 is equals to positive 24. So, lagay lang natin positive 24. And then next step ay i-combine lang natin yung similar terms. So meron tayo ditong dalawang x, pagsamahin lang natin yung dalawang x na yan. So bring down lang natin itong x squared. And then i-add natin itong 3x plus 8x. So simply add lang natin yung number. So 3 plus 8, the answer is positive 11. And then copy lang natin itong x. And then bring down natin itong plus 24 dito. So plus 24. At ito na yung ating sagot sa example number 1. Example number 2, again, sasagutan natin ito using the FOIL method. So, simulan natin dito sa x times x sa ating first. So, x times x is equal to x squared. So, lagay lang natin x squared. And then, multiply naman natin itong x times positive 7. So, the answer is positive 7x. So, lagay lang natin dito, positive 7x. And then, yung inside naman natin, so we have negative 5 times x. And negative 5 times x is equals to negative 5x. So, lagay lang natin dito, negative 5x. And then, yung last, multiply natin yung negative 5 times 7. So, the answer is negative 35. So, lagay lang natin dito, negative 35. Combine natin yung similar terms. Bring down natin si x squared. And then, subtract lang natin itong 7x minus 5x. So, subtract lang muna natin yung number. So, 7 minus 5 is equals to positive 2. So, lagay natin positive 2. And then, copy natin yung x. And then, bring down natin itong minus 35 dito. So, minus 35. At ito na yung ating sagot sa example number 2. Example number 3, again, sasagutan natin ito using FOIL method. So, simulan natin by multiplying itong unang dalawa. So, x times x, the answer is x squared. Lagay natin x squared. And then next, multiply natin itong si x times negative 9. So, x times negative 9 is equal to negative 9x. And then, multiply naman natin itong negative 4 times x. So, negative 4 times x is equal to negative 4x. So, lagay lang natin dito, negative 4x. Then, multiply natin itong huling dalawa. So, negative 4 times negative 9. So, the answer is positive 36. So, nagmultiply tayo ng magkaparehas na sign, parehas na negative. Kaya, ang naging sagot natin ay naging positive. And then, combine natin yung dalawang similar terms. So, bring down lang natin itong x squared. And then next, subtract lang natin itong negative 9x minus 4x. So, dahil ito ay subtraction of integers, i-apply natin dito yung rules ng subtraction of integers. So, simply keep change. So, i-keep natin yung negative 9x, yung minus gawin nating plus, at yung positive 4x gawin nating negative 4x. So, ang new operation natin is negative 9x plus negative 4x. So, the answer is negative 13. And then, copy natin yung x. Bring down natin itong positive 36. So, ito na yung ating sagot sa example number 3. Example number 4, again, sasagutan natin using FOIL method. So, simulan natin sa pagmultiply dito sa x times x. So, x times x is equal to x squared. Lagay lang natin dito. And then next, multiply natin yung dalawang nasa labas. So, x times positive 7. So, the answer is positive 7x. So, lagay lang natin positive 7x. Next, multiply natin yung inside, yung dalawang nasa loob. So we have negative 5 times x. So the answer is negative 5x. Lagay lang natin dito, negative 5x. And then, multiply natin yung huling dalawa. So we have negative 5 times positive 7. So the answer is negative 35. So lagay lang natin, negative 35. Nagmultiply kasi tayo ng isang negative at isang positive, magkaiba yung sign, kaya ang sagot natin ay naging negative. Next step, combine lang natin itong similar terms. Bring down natin itong x squared, and then 7x minus 5x. So subtract lang natin 7 minus 5, the answer is positive 2. Lagay natin positive 2, and then copy natin si x, and then bring down lang natin itong minus 35. So minus 35. At ito na yung ating sagot sa example number 4. Last example natin, again, imumultiply natin ito using FOIL method. So, simulan lang natin dito sa x times x. So, the answer is x squared. And then, multiply natin itong x times negative 8. So, x times negative 8 is equal to negative 8x. So, lagay lang natin negative 8x. And then, multiply naman natin itong inside, yung 3 times x. So, 3 times x is equal to positive 3x. So, lagay lang natin dito, positive 3x. And then, multiply natin itong last. So, we have 3 times negative 8. The answer is negative 24. So, nagmultiply tayo ng magkaibang sign, isang positive at isang negative. Kaya, negative yung naging sagot natin. And then, combine natin itong similar terms. Bring down lang natin yung equals, bring down natin si x squared, and then negative 8x plus 3x. So, addition ng magkaibang sign, kaya isusubtract natin. So, 8 minus 3, the answer is 5. And then, kokopyahin natin yung sign ng mas malaki. So, negative yung sign ng mas malaki, kaya negative yung sagot natin. So, negative 5x. Again, sinubtract natin, and then kinopya natin yung sign ng mas malaking number. And then, bring down natin itong negative 24. At ito na yung ating sagot sa example number 5. So, yun lang. Sana ay nakatulong sa inyo itong maikling video na ito. Kung nagustuhan ninyo yung video, pakiclick naman yung like button at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para sa iba pang tutorial na kagaya nito. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat.